Is that the story?
This. On the page.
Turn the page.
See this? And
Who's that?
oh,
Sir Topham Hatt?
and put a map out.
You want help?
And and Thomas and yes and Thomas a train.
There.
Yes,
Is that the island of Sodor?
yeah. He's island of Sodor. This is Steamworks.
The Steamworks. Who are you putting out?
Thomas and Percy and our engines. That's one. Her, Ernie. And,
Is it Henry?
no.
Yeah?
That's
Is that Harold?
yeah.
Oh, he went on his helipad.
Helicopter bag.
Yep.
I went back. And I went back around the way. And they sleep in the house.
Into the roundhouse?
They're old and tired. And those are steam. Or
They steam engines?
they're chugging engines.
Chugging?
They like to chug.
They like to chug.
Like to chug faster.
How many more guys are there? There's some more.
Oh, that's a blue engine named Gordon.
Gordon.
Out of Thomas a Train.
Hmm. Who's that?
That's James.
James.
He's a red one.
Hmm.
And he's the black one.
There's a black one. What's his name?
He's,
Just a black one?
uh,
Who's this one?
that's, what's his name?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
No. I'm not.
Not.
I'm not.
You're not.
Where does he go?
He go on a track. He goes around and around like that.
Oh, good. He's on the road.
That's an engine. We lost one more engine. What's this?
I'm not sure. Who's that? Is it Henry?
Yeah.
That's Henry, huh?
Chugga chugga. And here goes Steamworks.
And there's one more here. Do you want to get the last guy out of the box? No? Yeah.
It's
That guy.
Toby.
That's Toby? Okay.
They're ready to chug. They're ready to chug. This is Steamworks.
Uh-huh.
These are Steamworks engines. Engines.
Steamworks engines.
Beautiful chugging engines.
Beautiful chugging engines.
And James and my here. I want to put. Oh. lives up here to watch. He has to chug. He has to chug right here. He's going to chug, chug, chug. He goes to Steamworks. Woo. Hi. Hi.
Hello.
I promised a tree.
Oh, hi, Thomas.
Artificial pussy's coming along with me. It's me. This is Thomas.
Right here.
I got to sit.
Mm-hmm.
Hi.
Hi there.
Hi.
Hello. What you doing?
I'm doing good.
Oh, good.
I'll be behind the other engines. He's behind the other engines. He's behind the other engines. What's that? That's me too. He's coming over. Hi. Hi. I'm too big.
Oh, hi, Toby. Hello.
That's not Toby.
Oh, it's not? Who is it?
He's Henry.
Oh, hi, Henry.
Toby's way back there.
Hi, Henry.
He's way back there. And that's Gordon. He's coming over with his big, strong, chuffing wheels.
Big, strong, chugging wheels.
I am a very important engine.
Very important.
I'm very important.
Hi, Gordon.
I'm very important.
Hi, Gordon. Hi, Gordon.
I'm very important.
Hello, guys. Very important.
I'm very important.
Yes. You're very important.
And I'm coming over. And I'm coming over. I am not I'm a red engine. Hi.
Hi, Red Engine.
Another engine. Henry King. Henry. There's a other Henry. Goes right here. That's the blue Henry.
Is that almost everybody?
And no,
Two more guys?
that's Toby.
Toby's coming.
Come here. Back to here. We got some. What if Ash?
Hi, Toby. Hi, Toby. Hello, Toby. Hi, Toby.
Guys, where are you talking?
They're talking to Toby.
I'm a big, strong little engine. I'm a little tiny blue. This is his
He's brown.
color. He's brown.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, I'm brown.
He's brown.
Woo, woo, I'm big and strong to go, and I'm going to go into working.